There are 8 parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So, what is noun? A noun is a word that represents a person, thing, concept, or place. Example: Johan, house, affinity, river. Most sentences. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that stands in for a noun, often to avoid the need to repeat the same noun over and over. Like nouns, pronouns can refer to people, things, concepts, and places. Most sentences contain at least one noun or pronoun. What is adjective? An adjective is a word that modifies or describes a noun or pronoun. Adjectives can be used to describe the qualities of someone or something, independently or in comparison to something else. Example: adjective in a sentence: I like all houses. The boy is tall and skinny. Danny is smarter than her brother. What is verb? A verb is a word that indicates a physical action. Example: driver. A mental action. Example: think. Or state of being. Example: exist. What is adverb? An adverb is a word that modifies, describes a verb. He sings loudly. An adjective: word, talk. Another adverb: ended too quickly, or even a whole sentence. Fortunately, I had brought an umbrella. What is preposition? A preposition is a word or a group of words used before a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase to show direction, time, place, location, special relations, or to introduce an object. Some examples of preposition are what like in at, on, of, and to. What is conjunction? A conjunction is a word that is used to connect word phrases and clauses. There are many conjunctions in English language. Some common ones include and, or, but, because, for, if, and when. What is interjection? An interjection is a word or phrase that is grammatically independent from the words around it and merely express feeling rather than meaning. Oh, what a beautiful house. Oh, this looks bad.